3 habits making you sound less confident whenever you speak. Number 1 is use of filler words. When you use filler words continuously, it appears that you don't really know what you want to say, or you're trying to gather your thoughts. Second is speaking too fast. When you speak too fast, your audience will not understand what you're saying, and it actually shows that something is wrong, because when you speak too fast, your nervousness will show. Ending every sentence like a question will definitely make you sound like a fearful speaker, because your voice, the rhythm, will not just be okay. You've got to do something about this. Follow me for more tips.